Hello everyone, it's Gianna and we're gonna go shopping for some Halloween stuff. So that's literally Halloween, as you can see. I have some plushies. This is scary. Let's move on. So there are like a lot of Halloween Sanrio things, I guess. But I'm actually kind of looking for dolls so we can unbox and play with. So I'm gonna meet you back at the doll section. Guys, this is the doll section, but it's not really Halloween themed. So let's move on and let's see if there are more Halloween kind of dolls. Okay, I think. Okay, so they are actually some Halloween dolls. So like these ones, the Monster High dolls, they are pretty Halloween. So we have like big sets that you can like style their hair and like mini dolls. And as I'm saying, we're looking for dolls, so I'm just gonna get a doll. Three options now. Frankenstein. Like, I guess a mommy. So this is Cleo Denial. And this is, well, I can't really see her name, but oh, Dracula. Okay, this is Dracula. I love pink, and this is like really pink, and this is like directing. I recently went for like a photo shoot, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go with this one. Let me pack up, so if anyone else wants this, they can get it. I'll meet you back home once I get it. Okay, I just got back from the mall. Now it's time to open this. I finally got it open. Okay guys, we finally got it open. She looks so cool. Okay, wait, this actually opens. I guess it's like a yearbook. Cool. This is so pretty. Oh, I think these are like the other ones. Okay, that's nice. We have a cute little jacket. Roleplay jacket. We have a director. Everybody here? Everybody happy to be getting this doll? I know I am. Well, she wants a friend. Let's get her a friend. I think I have exactly the thing. Wait here, Dracula. She can have a little witch friend. I don't have that many Monster High dolls, but I do have like a little witch aloe doll. I mean, she's a vampire. She's a witch. It works. I kind of think that Monster High dolls should add a witch. Until they do though, we're just gonna play with this. Yeah, so let's put her aside right now. You will bring me back. Okay, and maybe we should dress her up. Wait, I just want to show you this because I can. I love this doll. I finally got her out. Look at her beret. Like, it has a little spider web on it, and then it kind of has like a little bat kind of thing on it. Oh, gown. Okay. really cool. Okay, so I'm gonna take the jacket off so she can. And like the jacket, I'm just gonna take it off so I can show you how it looks. Like the bangs, like there's so much detail into this. From the dress to like just like the hair. Like look at that hair. It's pink and it's black. That's totally my style. I wish I had some pink extensions. So see, it has like a little like, sticking out. And we actually have another jacket. It has like the drama thing, and then yeah. And then obviously there's a yearbook, but it says yearbook. Dracula, she got her name on it. And then we have all the other ones. There's action, there's drama, there's Dracula. Okay, so these are like the sneakers. They have like a back kind of bow as like a zipper. And then like look how much detail is put into it. Like there's webs and then like in the they even have like this at the back. That's so cool. Same with the other one. And I like how they did like one is hot pink, one is like a light pink, so it's not all the same color. And then obviously we have the bone. It has a little stand so she can actually hold that much. This one hold it down. You must hold the bone. Yes, she can. Oh. Okay. And I love how like you can put them in like a lot of different poses because like they have like these joint arms, so you can like do like you can like kind of bend them like most Barbies can't actually do that. But like the Monster High dolls can, and that's like pretty unique. Like they can't move their hand like and like stuff like that. Like these girls can go on their knees. Okay guys, it's been a spooky but magical journey. I love these Monster High dolls. Do you? And which one do you want me to unbox next? Bye guys. Oh, and I hope you collect a lot of candy on Halloween. I'm sure I'm gonna collect some candy.